Sairam children, myself Bhavani Kundekar. Welcome once again in our geography topic. In the previous class, we have studied about the lesson number 1, that is local time and standard time. Let us recollect what is local time and what is standard time. When we talk about local time, the time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. And about the standard time, when we studied about the standard time, the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. Just to follow one particular time, so standard time has been followed. So children, let us move to our next topic. Indian Standard Time. When we talk, as we have studied in the previous class, it is hardly an hour difference in the standard time. So it will not make much difference to decide the Indian Standard Time, because many other continents we talk about, or any other country we talk about, there is an hour, more than 2.5 hour difference, children. So it is a tough time for them to make up one particular standard time for the entire whole country. But for India, it is not like that. Let us see what is the Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time, that is IST, has been decided according to the 82 degree half east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. So children, as I told you, it is just an hour difference between Kolkata and Mumbai. So it has not taken much efforts to us to decide the Indian Standard Time. As I told you, if it is more than 2 to 3 hours difference between same country but two different cities, then it will be tough. But for India, it is just an hour difference. So we have taken which longitude? That is 82 degree half east longitude. We have decided that as a Indian Standard Time, and which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. Yes, because of it passes through the middle of the country. This longitude passes through the middle of the country. So this has been decided as the Indian Standard Time. So let us see further. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. As we have studied in the standard time also. When the sun is overhead, your shadow becomes shorter. Yes. So just to decide the exact time or the noon, the 12 noon everywhere in India should be same. Just to make it same and to follow the to run the country smoothly with a one standard time, India has selected 82.5 degree east longitude. So there is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degree half east and other places in the country. It is not more than 1 hour difference. About when we travel to our country itself, it is not more than 1 hour difference. So they have taken 82.5 degree east as the Indian Standard Time. So let us see the picture. Children, I'll just try to tell you, just see your textbook. The same picture I have taken. You can see a very middle of the picture. You can see a pink color dotted line is drawn. That is 82 degree half east longitudinal. That has been decided as a Indian Standard Time. If you can see your textbook also, you will be able to make out. Yes, just to your reference, I've just given this picture. So in the middle, can you see the China and Nepal, the other country? In that particular line, pink color line is drawn that passes through the middle of the country. So yes, this longitudinal has been decided as a Indian Standard Time, because it's not more than an hour difference between Kolkata and Mumbai. Okay. So now let us move to your next topic, Universal Standard Time. When we talk about the Universal Standard Time, Children, don't get confused with so many times, children, because just to run smoothly, the local time has been taken, standard time between the countries, and sorry, between the same internal country, and this one standard time been taken just to run the country smoothly, like with the trades, or we can call it about flight time, train time, exactly. Just for that, Indian standard time has been decided. Now, what is universal standard time? Yes, we have a trade system, we have airlines when where we travel abroad and all. So at that time we need a universal standard time. So for that, let us move in detail, or let us learn in detail about universal standard time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich, that is Greenwich Mean Time in England, is considered to be the international standard time. Yes, because we can one particular standard time has been decided, so that entire overall all the countries can coordinate with each other for the trade or for other purpose also, for that flights we can call. Yes, for all the purpose, this one universal standard time is decided, and that is in England. That particular line is known as Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, just for the coordination of the entire, yes, country, or entire with each other, for the purpose of trade we can call, for the purpose of communication with each other. As I told you, it is day sometime in other country and it is night over here in India. So at that time, this coordination also helps us to communicate with that particular places. Exactly. The difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. That is Greenwich Mean Time. That is a short form, it is written. We can write it as GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. Just when it is 5 o'clock here, it will be 10:30 there. Exactly 5:30. That is a 5.5 hour difference. But we can calculate accordingly, just for the coordination of between the two countries. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. That means in Greenwich it will be 5 p.m. evening time, and by the time here it will be 10:30. Yes, almost going to be night. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, that is IPL, New Delhi, gives services of accurate timekeeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh part of a second. Children, now what is the role of this National Physical Laboratory? We can call it as, because we have to even coordinate with the satellites, artificial satellites, exactly. Just to know the times in a particular which places or which satellites we have launched and all that, all things. This record has been kept in this National Physical Laboratory. That is a timekeeping place, yes. As accurate time is required for space research, artificial satellite launching, etc., these clocks are used in these activities. Children, now till now we have studied each and every place there is a difference because of the longitude. Yes, as you have studied in 6th standard. Longitude gives helps us to know the exact time of that particular continent. So just to keep a track in all the continent, which all what is the timing exactly. So the different local time, standard time, Indian time, and as well as the universal standard time. So like that, now there is another one where we have to contact for the satellite purpose, that is artificial satellite or space research, exactly. For there is a special that is, it is research center has been made where the timekeeping record has been kept. Now let us move to the Jantar Mantar Astronomical. Before I move with the Jantar Mantar Astronomical, let us have little bit about our rulers of the medieval period. Yes, you have studied in the 7th standard medieval period. One of our great Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. Just children, this gives us a inspiration that they were not only the rulers, not only the warriors, as well as they were very much talented people of that time without a modern technologies. They have made this jantar mantar which helps us to know the exact time with the proper seconds. Let us move further. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, the king of Jaipur, that is Rajasthan, was a great astronomer, mathematician, and architect. He built five astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi, and Mathura. Children, see, that means they were not only the rulers as well as they were great, or even we can call it as them as a multi-talented people. Although they were in medieval period, without the help of a modern technology, they have made a, yes, Jantar Mantar, which helps us to know the time with a proper second with the help of our shadow, the sun. Yes, the sun, where exactly the sun is there, and with the help of our shadow, they come to know the time and seconds. With a proper second, they tell us about the timing. Yes, so five places he has built the Jantar Mantar, that is in Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi, and Mathura. The one at Mathura does not exist because as we had much of the fights, yes, battle and all has taken place during that time. So, but today, one can visit the other four, which is there in Mathura. It has destroyed, but remaining four is still been preserved. Even today, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadows. Yes, as you have learned in the standard time, your shadow keeps on increasing in the morning and in the evening. But in the afternoon, that is in the mid 12 o'clock noon, it is your shadow is shorter. So with the help of that, they have started, no, no, like they were about to know the time with the proper second. Yes, minute and proper second, they can tell. That way, he has made a Jantar Mantar in five different places. Children, see, imagine about the talent of that particular person of during medieval period, that too. Jantar Mantar do not only house sundials, but they are complete astronomical observatories. Sundials means it's a shadow where the sun, where the exactly over the head or where exactly your shadow starts. Then that according to your shadow and the sun position, they tell you the timing and the seconds. One can observe the sky from here too. With the help of instruments at Jantar Mantar, it is still possible to see astronomical observations. After the advent of modern instruments, now these instruments are more of a cultural heritage. Yes, when once you enter, they have made an instrument, with the help of that you can make the exact times and second. But now with the modern instruments which has been introduced now with the modern period, so now the made by the Savai Jai Singh, it has been kept as a cultural heritage. They have kept it as a, to preserve it so that our future generation also can see the Jantar Mantar made by our great, yes, great ruler or a great medieval ruler. Exactly, it has been preserved as a cultural heritage. It has not been used because now we have made, with the modern technologies, we have made a some other instrument to know the exact time in the Jantar Mantar. See, this is a picture of the Jantar Mantar. Yes, and this will help you out to know the time. Okay, see the picture very clearly, so you will be able to make out the efforts taken by the architect of that. Yes, so, like our Maharaja Savai Jai Singh has taken efforts to build this. He was not only the great ruler, warrior, as well as he was a great astronomer, mathematician, architect too. Yes. So, okay, children. So here we come to an end of this topic. Yes, local time and standard time. Till now, today we have studied about the Indian Standard Time, where we are not coming across more than 1 hour difference between the two cities, that is Kolkata and Mumbai. So we have decided which longitudinal, that is 82 degree half east longitudinal we have decided as a Indian standard time to be followed. Okay, and when we talk about the next topic is universal standard time, international standard time, that is been followed by the Greenwich meridian, Greenwich, that is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, which is in England. That has been, that longitudinal is decided as a universal standard time, which is 5.5 hours ahead than, yes, then our country. That is, in our country, if it is 10 o'clock, there it will be, yes, 5 o'clock. It is 10:30 or 5 o'clock over there. So children, where today we have learned about even Jantar Mantar and the national physical laboratories where they keep a record of the space research. Yes, artificial satellites been launched. They keep the, yes, timekeeping record. They have made a record of all the times. So this all things we have studied about today. Okay, so before we come to the conclusion, I just wanted to ask you few questions. That is, who built Jantar Mantar? Yes, one of our great ruler. He is a Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. Children, don't forget to write Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, because it is, yes, Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, Maharaja Savai Jai Singh I, like that. There are many Savai Jai Singh, Maharaja Savai Jai Singh at that time. So don't forget to write II. Yes, that or second we can call. How many hours is the Indian Standard Time ahead of GMT? That is 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours is the Indian Standard Time ahead of GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So children, learn the textbook very thoroughly. Here we have come to the conclusion of our lesson number 1, local time and standard time. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.